9 ball got
Oh.
kicked.
Uno pasok.
And then 1 ball goes down. Shot on the 2. Yes.
Stop ball. Yan. Pero yun nga, tatakbo pa rin ng dos.
Well, that's okay.
Ah.
Di ba yung naging apat nung pumasok si D'Artagnan. Di ba si Atos, si Portos, at saka si Aramis.
Behind the 3.
Nice.
Nicely parked. Space between.
I'm not sure from this angle. Yun, kaya pa pala
kaya pa palang
tamaan.
rektahan. Look at this.
It's gonna
Not
show.
bad. Yeah, not bad. Or kung corner to, mas maganda ata.
No, he's going for the side.
Ooh.
And missed it. But, tignan mo naman yung landing sa dos.
Behind that area. Or pwede rin ganyan. Basta't gamitin lang yung clump of balls na yan.
2 ball is partially seen. Just
What?
recently.
Recently
The
lang,
remains of the of D'Artagnan, the Musketeer.
Oh, check this out.
Wow!
Ho, ho.
What a safety shot from the 20-year-old.
Lining up the 5 and 6.
That's the 4 and 6.
4 and 6 rather. Ito, mas maganda yan. Yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Antonio Lining.
Oo, yun na nga.
Yeah.
Nagkamali. Pero yung kay Efren talaga, nung pag-prep niya, gulat na, ba't yan ang tira ni Efren? Looks like yung naging problema na binigay ni Maki Leyva might come back to bite Manila. Oh!
He was wanting to thinly hit the 3, but didn't make it. Okay,
4 and 6
ball.
are together. Oh, so they're not gonna attempt to disrupt it.
Banda sa is. Hindi. Pwedeng tago.
Tago nga. Okay, that was the easier shot actually.
Medium speed. Speed is key as well.
Missed it and scratches.
Late yung
Oh.
pag-bounce.
Everything that could go wrong with that shot happened to Christian Season. Ano nga rin pala, nag-foul din pala si Bonodi kanina.
Yun. Just like that. Nudging off the 9.
On the Manila MSW side.
Small but terrible.
Oo. A crawler.
Yeah, crawler on the 8.
Shot for shot na tayo dito because
Yeah.
it's that close.
Up and down for the side rails.
Was a gallant stand for Dart Bonode and Christian Season. But we are now tied